Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. And if you're not yet subscribed, you should think about hitting that subscribe button down below, joining my ohana. I'm going to be pushing out videos pretty consistently now. And basically I do a lot of things on this channel. I do makeup reviews. I do well, a lot of makeup reviews, new looks and things of that nature. So for today's video, I'm actually, and I was kind of tossing up this idea of what I was gonna do, but I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions, and I know it's been out for a minute, but I have yet to use it. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. First, I'm gonna be using the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So I bought this from Sephora's, and this was like the $25 Impulse Tower. Well, it was on the $25 Impulse Tower rack, and I've only used like half of it. So I'll probably go and buy the full-size one. I just wanted to test it out first. And that actually is a really good idea. If you're trying to test out like new makeup, go to the Impulse Towers. They are a bit pricey considering, you know, like if you compare it to the full-size product, but it's cheaper. So if you just wanted to try out an item, you can go ahead and try this out. Even like the Farsali, the Rose Gold Elixir, I bought, initially I bought like the regular, not regular, the sample size, and I loved it so much. I actually got to select between the different ones, and the Rose Gold one is my favorite. So I'm going to be using the No Pore Blem. I don't know why I have such a hard time saying that. I don't know if I love it or if I'm just like, but I'm just going to keep trying it and keep trying different primers until I find ones I really like. Now that my face has been prepped for makeup, I'm going to go in with the CYO Long Lasting Foundation. I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques sponge, and it's down. I'm just going to apply this. This is probably for drugstore foundation, especially when it costs like $7. This is probably my favorite medium coverage foundation. It covers up the redness. And it's super cheap. So next I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio Finish in NC35, and this still to this day, well, maybe it's because I haven't bought anything new. I'm actually but as far as concealers, this is my favorite like full coverage concealer. I want to try the Jeffree Star one. I want to try, oh, I have the Shape Tape. I should actually pull that out if I could figure out what box I put it in. And then what's the other one I wanted to try? The Jouer. So those are like the three concealers I really want to try that I've heard great reviews about. But for now, since I haven't finished unboxing everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this because this is all I could find. Use some Airspun to set. Using the Wet n Wild powder brush, I'm gonna set the rest of my face. So I'm gonna go in with Laura Gellar's Baked Body Frosting Tahitian Glow. So using the Soft Ochre paint pot from MAC, I'm gonna prime my eyelids. All right, now we're ready to make magic happen. So the first thing, looking at this palette, you know, they're cute small little squares. I'm gonna try to stick to what's in here, but I love the mirror. The mirror size is pretty big considering, and I love big mirrors. I love mirrors that fulfill this whole top part. There's not a lot of excess packaging around it. Let me take this shield protector. So today I'm going to use a different technique. I'm going to go in with a dark color, probably this rust color down here, and then start working my way through there. So I'm going to use just regular blending brush. This is from Cosette. I'm just gonna go ahead and go from like right in my crease and a little bit higher. And then when I go into the inside, just kind of bring it more closer to my lash line. So overall, it's pretty blendable considering I was a little concerned. It's kind of blotchy right here, but I wasn't putting that much pressure on it when I first started. So I was unsure about the quality. Well, not really the quality so much as how blendable, well, I guess you'd say quality. I mean, I knew it was going to be good, I just didn't know how good. And I didn't want to work too hard to blend this out. I'm going to take another blending brush and I'm going to go in with this color here. I really am just trying out different things right now and just kind of blend out this line. I want to transition because I'm actually going to put yellow, this mustard yellow color right under my brow bone. But I want to make sure this line isn't too harsh. Then I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush here and just get a bit of that product there and just go right under here. So using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I'm going to go and do a half cut crease. Just using a small eyeshadow brush, just go ahead and get the color in the area you are trying to now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, see how it applies with the brush. Usually shimmer shades, I always find when you apply it with your fingers it's a lot better. But I always want to just test it out. Maybe I'll find that one, see? Now using another blending brush, I'm going to go into this dark brown color here. Let's go on the outer edge. I'm just going to apply it in the corner and just kind of slowly wiggle it in to the crease area. And whatever product's left, just kind of bring it in to the center and then to the front. So to the center and then into the inner corner. Now using a pencil brush, I'm going to go into that mustard shade and line underneath my eyes. Well, the product is super pigmented, so it's almost chalky, but it blends out, well, it applies chalky, but it blends out very nicely. Now I'm going to use this precision eye brush from, was it Luxie? And I'm going to go in with that rust color, the darker rust color that's in here, and apply it more close to my lash line. Drag it all the way across. Make sure you connect it here. I used to, sometimes when I'm rushing, I don't take it all the way and it just looks so bad. And then finally I'm going to go in with that dark brown color and just keep it from the outside and take it to the middle of the center of my eye. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look off camera as far as my eyes are concerned. So as usual, I'm doing my eyebrows, eyeliner, lashes, and then I'll be back. All right, everybody, so I am back with the completed look, and I'm actually really happy with the way this turned out. I think I might want to change my outfit, but ooh, let's set this to the floor. I forget, just going with whatever, don't mind that you hear the laundry. What I ended up doing was I decided to go with the NYX Vivid Brights, and this was in the shade, what's the yellow color? It is called Vivid Halo. Now these things, when you use it, just remember they're more like paint, so it's not as easy as liquid liner to apply, but it's still, you can, you know, with enough patience, I should say, you'll be able to get this on. As far as my lips, I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I ended up going with this rusty orange red color, and this is from Dose of Colors. I believe this is from the Katie and the Desi and Katie collection. Does it say? Well, it's called Aesthetics, so it could be, or could be Karen's I Love Sarahi. It could have been her launch, I'm not sure, but it's definitely from Dose of Colors, and it's definitely called Aesthetics. Oh, for my highlight, I used the Physicians Formula Vegas strip, because I figured the gold would look more appropriate with this. Yeah, that's about it. So let me know what you guys thought of this completed look. As far as the Huda Beauty, these are pretty pricey, but eyeshadows are tricky. Eyeshadows are one of the trickier makeup products that I feel like hasn't been developed for like the drugstore range yet. So for 25 bucks, it's a bit pricey, but you know, I mean, the pigmentation is great. There's enough product, it's gonna last you a minute. This mirror is, I love this mirror. I love full-size mirrors in palettes. I think there was like 4 or 5 of these that had launched. I would say just get one of them, whichever one your eyes are most drawn to. Go ahead and get that and try it out. I believe you can still do swatches and things like that there, so I mean, try it out. You never know until you swatch it if you really love it. And that is all for my review. I have nothing else to say. So tell me guys what you guys like about this look. Leave any comments on the bottom, and then I'll see you guys in my next video.